How to edit and trim footage in Canva on a PC. First, open your Canva account and access the design where the video footage is located. On the design, locate the video you want to edit and click on it to select it. Above the Canva editor, you'll find a toolbar. Look for the video editing icon. It looks like a pair of scissors. Click on this icon to access the video editing tools. After clicking the video editing icon, you'll notice that parts of your video appear either highlighted or grayed out above the editor. These areas represent the sections of your video that you can adjust or trim. Use your mouse to drag the sliders located at the ends of the highlighted section of the video. By dragging these sliders either inwards or outwards, you can shorten or lengthen the selected section of the video according to your preferences. Once you are satisfied with the changes you made to the video, click on the Done button to save your edits. Canva will automatically update the video in your design with the newly trimmed footage. Before we finish, we would like to hear from you. If there are any specific topics or tutorials you would like us to cover in our future videos, please let us know in the comment section below. We value your feedback and want to create content that is helpful and relevant to your needs. So don't hesitate to share your suggestions with us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.